Hello everybody and welcome to the Fraternity and Sorority Life website tutorial. Currently right now we are at the home screen. This is where you'll see a little intro video. You'll have some links on the side, anti-hazing at UCF, green dot, and the link to report any and all concerning behavior. And you have the 4 links to the social media for FSL. So up here is going to be all your tabs. So the next one is the About tab. This is where you'll find FSL's mission statement, vision statement, diversity statement, leadership, family, community engagement, making ritual a reality, and the values from the UCF Creed. The next tab is our community. So this is where you'll find everything that goes on in FSL with the councils. So you have the General Greek Council, Diversified Greek Council, known as DGC, Interfraternity Council, IFC, National Panhellenic Council, and PHC, Panhellenic Council, PAN, and then you also have Greek ambassadors, Order Omega, and Rho Lambda, and if you click on them, you can read a little bit more about them. So the next tab is Member Resources. This is the tab that you are going to be using a lot when you come to the FSL website. Just go straight to Member Resources, and that's where you can find all the paperwork you need to fill out to register your chapter. If you're planning an event, please come to this tab. That's where you're going to find all the forms you need, any guides and policy books that you can find PDFs from, calendar, standards of excellence, and then also any additional resources. I'll go more in depth into in another video tutorial about all the member resources that we have. The next one is Meet the Chapters. So there's 4 councils, and you can just click on a council, and it will tell you a little bit about them, and then also all the chapters that fall underneath that council. And then you can click on them to learn more. The next tab is for families. So under this tab, you can find a little intro video for our families, and then also what is being involved in a fraternity and sorority all about, gives a little information about Greek life on campus, their role, and then also hazing and where to go if their student is concerned about being hazed or any information about that. And it also has a frequently asked questions page. The next tab is chapter statuses. This is where you'll find the scorecards and past scorecards. So the first section will be all the chapters that are under good standing. The second one will be pending completion of any sanctions, probation, or suspension. Then you have chapters that are under conduct review, any of the unrecognized groups on campus, and then down below you will find a little information about each section and what each section means. The next tab is reporting. So under this tab, this is where you'll report any and all concerning behavior. So this is, you'll put your background information, any of the involved parties, what the incident, describe the incident, any additional information. You can attach any photos and then submit the report. The next tab is frequently asked questions. This is pretty simple. You have a bunch of questions, you click and drops down the answer. And some of them even have some links to additional resources. The next tab is news. This is where you'll find any news and announcements of FSL. And then our last tab is the contact tab. So this is where you'll find the staff list, director, assistant directors, coordinator, administrative assistant, and then your chapter coaches. And then on the right-hand side, you'll find the office hours, telephone number, general email, and then where we're located on Greek Park. And thank you so much for watching our Fraternity and Sorority Life website tutorial. Catch you in another video. Thank you.